No, ladies, this is not a pleasure toy, or at least not in the sense that you might think. This is the Schick Intuition Razor Shavy Thingy. I'm in my 50s, still get hairy, and as you might imagine, have tried multiple shaving systems over the past decades. This one is the best. If you have sensitive skin, or are prone to nicking yourself, or want a one-and-done shaving and moisturizing setup so you can save time in the shower, this, my lovelies, is for you. When a product like this comes on the market, you have to say, wow, who on earth had the intuition, pun intended, to think of such a thing? You have the usual blade-in cartridge on a stick setup, and this one has 4 little blades to make sure every hair is found, and it's also a swivel head which helps you go around corners and get into your nooks and crannies, and it's surrounded by a solid soap cushion that protects you from slicing yourself, creates a lathering foam, and moisturizes, all at the same time. This is genius! When you press it up against your skin, the soap bar automatically comes up to meet the contact point. Also genius. I'm only halfway done, but I'll change this cartridge out for you with a new one I bought separately. Which one? Well, you can get several varieties of gently scented soaps. I live in Japan, so on Amazon Japan, I got the Shittori Hada one, which is for moisturizing, and the Binkan Hada one, which is for sensitive skin. I recommend the latter for your bikini area if you have sensitive skin, and of course, depending on where in the world you are based, your packaging might be a wee bit different. So that was simple. Just press on the side buttons to release the cartridge and snap another one in. I have only one caveat with this device. Soap attracts hair, so this thing will be a magnet for your offshoots. Do rinse after every use. I use this on my legs, underarms, and private parts without issue. I like that this can stand upright on your shower shelf, even though the base is not flat, it rocks just a little. And I like how easy it is to use, how perfectly the grip feels in your hands, how easy it is to replace the cartridges, and how nice my skin feels after each use. And I believe these are things you'll appreciate too. Recommend.